Hello everyone. In this video, we will explain K-Line's full-year earnings forecast for fiscal year 2023 and the progress made on the medium-term management plan, which is now in its second year. First, let's look at the path taken to reach the current midterm management plan and performance over the past decade. Performance in the mid-2010s was very tough due to a slump in the market. We have aimed to have stronger tolerance to market conditions by accumulating stable revenue and advancing structural reforms. In the early 2020s, we achieved our highest performance on record due to high market prices caused by COVID-19. Based on the financial base that recovered during this period, we completed structural reform in fiscal 2021 and in fiscal 2022. As the new midterm management plan, we started moving management to a new stage, shifting from management of defense to management of offense. In the latest earnings forecast for fiscal 2023, we expect to make earnings by executing measures according to the plan, resulting in ordinary income of 135 billion yen. Let's look at these results by segment. The dry bulk segment was affected by weakening market conditions, but stable earnings were maintained through the renewal and addition of mid- to long-term contracts centered on coal and iron ore carriers, and we have maintained previously announced figures. The energy resource transport segment continued to secure stable earnings in each business based on mid- to long-term contracts. The product logistics segment, excluding the container ship business, is showing a further growth in performance since the previous announcement. This is due to recovery in automobile production and shipments. In the container ship business, we expect that time will be required for a recovery in transportation demand due to the normalization of supply chains and also the inventory surpluses and the slump in general consumption in European and US consumer countries. But one is expected to secure profit. Now we will explain the progress made on the ordinary income targets in the midterm management plan. This year, the ordinary income target in the midterm management plan was 140 billion yen. The latest ordinary income in fiscal 2023 is 135 billion yen, which is steadily approaching the achievement of the midterm management plan target of 140 billion yen. Let's polish our earning power. Work towards achieving the target of the midterm management plan ahead of schedule. Explore a growth strategy that considers raising the target and aim to achieve sustainable growth and greater corporate value. K-Line is making steady progress in line with the midterm management plan. Let's look at the current midterm management plan again, because next year is the halfway mark. Executing measures in line with the business strategy, functional strategy, and capital policy that are the key points of the midterm management plan will lead to sustainable growth and greater corporate value. We will realize growth, taking advantage of emissions reduction and decarbonization opportunities. The measures of business strategy enhance earning power. We will be engaged in the strengthening of synergies between our businesses. The measures of functional strategy enhance business strategy. We will manage our business with awareness of capital costs and cash flow by further advancement of business management. The measures of capital policy maximize corporate value. We will execute the business strategy, functional strategy, and capital policy to achieve sustainable growth and greater corporate value. How to grow towards the future has become an important theme for us. Trust from all over the world. K-Line.